Hey, how's it going? This is Rob from the Leaf family, and today I'm going to discuss my experience with Amazon Vine. My opinion? It's f***ing awesome! Now, if you don't know what Amazon Vine is, they send you free products. You're expected to review them, not required, but kind of, sort of. It's an invite-only program, and you're invited based on your reviewer rank. Reviewer rank is calculated by a combination of helpful votes on your reviews, and I'm sure, but no proof, that if people are inclined to purchase a product after reading your review, you'll probably move up. Once your reviewer rank is high enough, Amazon will tap you and invite you to their Vine program. I really can't believe a program like this exists, and I probably get like 10 free items a week. I tested it out just to see how much I could get away with, and I went up to 7 a day before getting blocked out. That's right, 7 a day. The majority of what I order on Vine's program comes just like any other Prime order, 1 to 3 business days, but occasionally I'll get items from a third-party seller that could take up to 4 weeks to arrive. Once you get an account, you can fill out your preferences, such as hobbies and sizing for clothes, and Amazon will start giving you recommendations. In the beginning, you probably have access to about 15 items or so, and the first product I ever reviewed was a toe cover. Who needs a toe cover? As you build up your reviews, you get access to more products, and right now I have access to approximately 25,000 products. Everything from mink lashes to chandeliers. One of the misconceptions is that I can get whatever I want on Amazon. This is not true. Amazon Vine is a program for sellers to boost the number of reviews that they have on their products. The sellers are the ones that determine what products Vine reviewers have access to. Some name brand sellers include Mattel, Tommy Hilfiger, and Amazon themselves. When you log into Amazon Vine, there's 3 tabs. The first tab is the recommended products, which is based on your preferences as well as your purchase history. The second tab, available for all, is more of the name brand products and Amazon brand products, and I find that the majority of these products are more high quality than the items in the third tab. The third tab is the additional items tab, and I find that the additional items tab has a ton of off-brand products, and I constantly find products that are identical sold by a number of different sellers. Sellers sign up for Amazon Vine to try to establish a good rating on Amazon, and I find it's where a lot of products debut. At times, I could be the very first reviewer of a new product. Sometimes, there's even products that we could review even before it's available to the public. If you're watching this video, you're probably thinking, man, I want free stuff too. Although it's free, the products themselves have an estimated value that's tallied up at the end of each year, and it's considered to be income. That means if you receive $10,000 worth of products, you'll have to pay taxes on that $10,000. Now, for all the questions you've been wondering, can you sell the items you get? Yes and no. Now, you're expected to keep the products for at least 6 months. After that, you could do whatever you want. Can you return Amazon Vine items? No. What if you don't review any of the products you get from Amazon Vine? Amazon Vine has a guideline on what is expected, and if you're not meeting their guidelines, you will no longer have access to any new products. Denied. What's the most expensive thing you got? I got a router that's like $350. I got a mountain bike for my daughter. I got a Bluetooth integrated helmet. It's just some crazy stuff that you got. Are there any things that you don't like about Amazon Vine? One of the most difficult things about Amazon Vine is that there is no search options. You manually have to sift through different categories, and each category might have thousands of products. So if you're going on one item and you're looking for, let's say, a medium-sized t-shirt that's black, you literally have to sift through thousands of items because each item has a specific size and color. So you can find an image of like a black t-shirt, but then you click it and then in the description it says color blue. Now you have to keep on searching and going to the next product until you find that shirt that might have a blue picture, and then you click it and it says black and it also says medium, because it might say just large, and now you got to go find a medium as well. So this takes a lot of time. Like, unless you're not working, I can't really see that you're going to get more than 7 products a day, because it's just impossible to sift through all these products to find exactly what you want. Also, you end up just getting stuff that you don't even really need. But I mean, it's just surplus. It's just a lot of stuff. You accumulate so much. Like, are you really complaining about free stuff? Well, there you have it. This is Rob from the Lee family, and that's my experience. Honestly, I love this program. I hope this doesn't set any red flags of me giving out too much information. I hope it just makes everybody want to review stuff even more. But that's what it is. Sayonara.